welcome back to my channel. My name is Sierra, and today I want to show you how I color my glass. It's going to be a few things you will need. Put the lid on this so I can tilt it. I use this glass here, and I will have everything I can. I have linked in the description box, but this is the glass I use. I use the Dr. P.H. Martin Bombay India ink. You're going to need a container. This one looks a little dusty because I've been filling my cups. You're going to need an empty cup. I use a pipette for the colors. And then what I do is, to make sure I don't go over what my container will hold, I measure out like this. It's this simple. And I just fill up however much I want in my container of the glass. And this ink, if you use it in resin, it will not run or bleed. At least not in my experience, it hasn't. It's not like alcohol ink. The alcohol ink will bleed, it just don't bleed. So, I mean, you can do the same thing with alcohol ink, but you take the chance of the ink actually bleeding in your project. So, put that down. I'm going to take my glass that I have in my container, and I do have a lid for my container, and I'm going to dump it in there. I have some paper towel here. I do have it, it's either a full sheet, fold it over. We get the half, so I just do it double up. I'll shake my ink. And I'm going to get my pipette. And I use a different pipette for each color because I don't want to contaminate my colors. And I should squeeze before I go in. And we're going to go a couple pipettes full at first, like that. And now I'm going to take some paper towel. Pour it out on the paper towel because I want it to dry, because it is very wet. And I will use my pipette to get all the glass off. I mean, I guess you could have a bowl of water to clean your pipette if you want to do that. I might do that. Save on my pipettes, see if that works. And I'm going to spread it out. You can save these cups and reuse them the next time you color your inks. You might want to label the cup so you know what color ink you're putting in there. And you're just going to spread that out into a nice thin layer. This will stick somewhat to the paper towel, but it doesn't, like, you're not going to lose any of your glass. It'll all come off the paper towel real nice, and the paper towel will absorb the rest of that ink. And there is the first step. Isn't that pretty? So once this ink dries, I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like nice and dry. Okay, this is dry, and a little FYI, you only need one little dropper full, not even full, of ink. You don't need two. Two is way too much. This is what the paper towel for the aqua looked like. I had to move this onto another piece of paper towel so that it would dry. And that's what that looked like. So 2 is way too much ink. Well, it still dries, but it's too much. So now you're going to want to break up any parts that are stuck together. You want to be careful doing this. It is glass. I'm going to get it in the center of my parchment paper. And to pour it in. That is the magenta. Isn't that pretty? So I have got magenta. Let me close that. Violet. I'll show you. What other ones did I do today? Black. And aqua. And with the one dropper, not even a full dropper, I'm talking maybe to here of ink. I got it the large dropper. It'll take about 20 minutes to dry. Then you can bottle them up. So this is how I color my glass. And I will use this as a reference video in the future for whenever I used my own colored glass. I'll just link to that video. But I wanted to show you how. So, yeah, I want to thank you for hanging out with me today. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please leave in the comment section down below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Your likes and your comments really help my channel out a lot. It lets YouTube know that people are engaging in my channel, and it will put it in front of more people. So I really appreciate it. To my subscribers, I truly appreciate you. I could not do this without you. I wish you all a great day, and God bless. Bye.